Hello children, good morning. Children, today we are going to start science class. Open your textbooks, page number 223. So, we have started reading part of the lesson number 6, digestion and role of microbes. So, reading part 2, this is where we have stopped here only. So, we will start today digestive system. Nutrition is the process of taking in food and using it for the growth and repair of our body. The organ system that performs this function is called digestive system. There are various organs that work together and break down the food into simpler form so that it can be easily taken in and absorbed by the body. This process is called digestion. This process is called digestion. Turn the page 224. See the picture. So you need to practice this picture for exam purpose. So just will give the picture and ask to label the parts. Understood? Process of digestion. This is human digestive system. So what is the process of digestion? First starts with mouth. The process of digestion begins here. Mouth is the first part of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is that is nothing but this is a long tube, tubular passage from mouth to the anus, through which food passes through digestion. That is called alimentary canal. alimentary canal, alimentary canal, and performs ingestion. Ingestion. Ingestion means process of taking food into the body. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Ingestion. The mouth contains the tongue, teeth, and salivary glands. Teeth break the food into smaller particles. While we chew the food, it will become smaller particles. The chewed food is mixed with saliva, that is nothing but a watery fluid secreted by salivary glands. If we see the biryani, the watery fluid will come in our mouth, is not, that is called saliva. Teeth further cut, tear, and grind the food before we swallow it. Tongue helps to mix saliva in the food. It helps to push the food down the food pipe. It also gives us the sense of taste. Next part is esophagus. Other name for esophagus is food pipe. Oesophagus. Esophagus. The next part of the digestive system is esophagus. It is also called food pipe. It connects the mouth to the stomach. Food travels through esophagus to enter the stomach. Into the stomach. Stomach has two functions. Stomach has how many functions? Two functions. First, it churns food and softens it. Second, it produces digestive juices that digest the food. Liver produces a digestive juice called bile. Bile. Digestive juices produced by the liver and pancreas are stored in the gallbladder until needed for digestion by small intestine. Next, small intestine. From the stomach, partially digested food goes to the small intestine. The small intestine. The small intestine is a long and coiled tube. Thus, food passes very slowly through it. Digestive juices produced by liver and pancreas pass into the small intestine. These juices digest the food completely. Digested food is absorbed by the small intestine and transported to the different body parts by the blood. So, partially digested food comes from the stomach to the small intestine. Here, digestion will be done completely and it is transported to the different body parts in the form of blood. Next, coming to the large intestine. The large intestine is sometimes referred to as colon, colon, colon. The undigested food passes into the large intestine. Here, the minerals and extra water are absorbed by the blood. Large intestine absorbs water, turning it into a paste which is excreted through the anus as feces. Faeces. This process is called as egestion. 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 That means whatever we take the food, and it should be gone out in the form of excretory system. We'll use excretory system. Okay, so that is passed through the anus as feces. Faeces. Understood? Next, healthy eating habits. Yes, we know about healthy eating habits. We should follow healthy eating habits so that our digestive system keeps working properly. Wash hands with soap before and after every meal. Chew the food well and do not swallow it whole. Never overeat. Have a balanced diet. Rinse your mouth properly after meals. Eat fresh food. Drink water an hour before an hour after meals. Do not drink it during meals. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. This will provide your body with the necessary nutrients and roughage. Microbes. Microbes are also called microorganisms. These are tiny organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. They are found everywhere. They can be seen using a special instrument called microscope. Microbes can be both useful and harmful to us. Yes. So are you seeing pictures? Virus and bacteria. These are harmful microbes. Microbes, turn the page number 226. Microbes can use a large number of diseases. The disease causing microbes are called germs or pathogens. Pathogens, pathogens. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa are 4 common pathogens. Bacteria means cause diseases such as typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera and pneumonia. Viruses. It causes diseases such as dengue, polio, influenza, common cold and chickenpox. Fungi cause diseases such as arthritis foot and ringworm. Protozoa cause diseases such as malaria, dysentery and food poisoning. The word protozoa means little animals. Little animals. Next, coming to the useful microbes. A large number of microbes are extremely useful to mankind. The microbes are used for making curd and wine. Microbes also help in digestion of food. Many microbes produce antibiotics. Naturally, they are used in biogas production and carrying out decomposition of dead plants and animals. So up to here, are you clear about this lesson, digestion and role of microbes? So practice the human digestive system diagram with the parts. Okay children, thank you.